Okay, lawn fans, you ready? December the 30th episode here. Just a quick one. Got the Christmas decorations up and the lights out. Did a little dormant striping today. But even on December the 30th, and with some pretty good temperatures that have been down in the 20s, I can still look down here in this dormancy and I can find some green grass. So that means do not get out right now and spray some Roundup, glyphosate, whatever you want to call it, out on your lawn if you're in North Georgia, because you will still have some active growth. It's not going to be the type where you're coming up and you're cutting it, but it is greenery that's down in the grass in the lower canopy. So I'll stay off of that with any Roundup, but I will do some cleaning up here in the next few weeks. Nothing major, just something to get out of the house from being bored and not having lawn work to do. But that's the front yard. I'll take you out back here to the zoysia. That's Bermuda. Back here is zoysia, and show you what's going on. I have not done any cutting, any cleanup on this since the end of the season. It's kind of the red-headed stepchild, but here she is in all of her unglory. Acorns out here like crazy. Some of you may be asking, why is it two different colors back here? And the darker area, it retains moisture a lot more than the lighter area. That's the only reason why. But I really need to get back here and do a massive cleanup. Tons of acorns. The fescue's looking pretty good for right now. And that's the dark green. But that's it. That's what's going on. As for late winter, I guess, I'll be coming down through here and I'll be leveling up all those pavers that are down there, the border, making everything look nice. I may do some changing around to that area back there some, but not a whole lot of work. This coming season, I might find a project over here to do. Just something small, because our long-term plans, my daughter will be a senior in high school this next year, and then we are gonna move. We'll downsize houses, so I will have a whole new project to do. However, that's it for right now. Just touching base with you guys to let you know I'm still out here and going. Nobody watches grass videos in the winter, so if you want to give me a thumbs up, keep the channel going, I would appreciate it. Y'all take it easy. Bermuda Brian out.